This is Myopia Awareness Week and I'm going to be giving you a quick roundup of why myopia happens and 3 tips on how to prevent myopia for your child. So the reason why it happens, number 1 is because of genetic factors. If the parent of the child or both the parents of the children have myopia, then there's a high risk of acquiring it. Number 2, lack of outdoors. So if the child is spending a lot of time indoors without the exposure to sunlight, then definitely that's a risk. And point number 3, if the child is spending a lot of screen time, that is time on the gadgets, especially at this distance, now that we are in COVID time, this is happening a lot, but this is not good and this can lead to myopia. Now 3 tips on how we can improve this or prevent myopia for your child. Tip number 1, sunlight, and lots of sunlight. Ensure at least 2 hours of sunlight for your child in any form. You don't have to look directly at the sun, but you have to be outdoors, either at play or reading or doing whatever they do, but prefer the sunlight. Number 2, reduce gadget or screen time. This distance is not good, so mobile phones and tabs are an absolute no-no. You could prefer television, or having seating at a good distance, you could prefer them to use a screen that is at a far distance, maybe not more than 1 to 2 hours. And the third thing is keep your house well ventilated and open, and any kind of near work that your child has to do, ensure there is good artificial lighting or natural lighting falling on the material. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you Sun Pharma for this wonderful initiative, and I hope all of us have a informed decision on how to prevent myopia. See you, bye.